BlackRock has confirmed that an XRP exchange-traded fund would be launched on April 20th. If you are currently in possession of XRP tokens or have an interest in XRP, it is imperative that you pay attention to the most recent developments around the cryptocurrency. Learn the most recent XRP news and gain an understanding of this in mind. This article is not intended to serve as financial advice, and investing in the cryptocurrency market is fraught with danger. Therefore, prior to making any investments, you should conduct your own research. Now, let's begin watching the video. Within the next 24 hours, Ripple will reach a settlement with the SEC. XRP's price is experiencing a surge. During the crucial meeting that took place today between Ripple and the SEC, everyone's attention is focused on the likelihood of a settlement. Both enthusiasts and investors have expressed interest in attending this gathering that is being held behind closed doors. Recent events provide evidence that negotiations are now taking place between the two parties. Nevertheless, the outcome is yet unknown, particularly in light of the fact that the pre-trial meeting is set to take place today, where the doors are closed. Closed-off room regular meetings of the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) bring together high-ranking officials, such as commissioners, as well as essential staff members. No matter if they take place in Washington, D.C. or virtually, these gatherings are kept a secret from the public. Given the significance of today's conference, there is a great deal of conjecture going around in the cryptocurrency community over the probability of a settlement. Even though Ripple has achieved some success in the case against the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), the company is still being accused of breaking securities laws through the sale of XRP. The SEC is currently seeking roughly $2 billion from Ripple, and the focus is now on establishing the fines that will be imposed. This substantial amount confronts Ripple with a challenging choice: either sell off XRP in significant quantities, which may potentially cause the market to fall, or sell the entire firm in order to cover the fine. The response from Ripple on April 22nd and the response from the SEC on May 6th will prepare the path for the final decision that the court will make if a settlement is not successfully achieved today. The decision made by Coinbase adds another layer of difficulty. In addition to complicating problems for Ripple, Coinbase's decision to pursue an interlocutory appeal in the Second Circuit Court of Appeals has further muddled the situation. The purpose of our appeal is to provide clarity regarding the definition of an investment contract, which is an essential component that has the potential to greatly influence the coin business. It is possible that the conclusion of this appeal may set significant legal precedents that will have an impact on existing disputes, such as the case between Ripple and the SEC. Pressure on the market for XRP. The price of XRP has been under pressure, falling below critical support levels in the midst of heightened market volatility. There have been a number of factors that have contributed to this fall, including worries around Ripple's quarterly release of XRP tokens from escrow and uncertainty regarding the outcome of the litigation. Even though the market is in a downward trend, there is a growing interest among derivatives traders in XRP futures, which indicates that there may be price swings in the future. The broadening of active XRPL liquidity pools is another indication that continuing involvement with the network is taking place, despite the presence of uncertainty. What are your forecasts for the price of XRP, regardless of whether or not there is a settlement? Let's not spend any more time and get into the rest of the video. So if you are still watching the video, you could help out the channel by giving this video a like, subscribing to the channel, and remembering to stay tuned so that you don't miss out on anything. The XRP Exchange Traded Fund ETF will be submitted on April 20th by BlackRock and Fidelity, together with 9 other financial organizations. As a result of reports indicating that 11 financial organizations, including giants such as BlackRock and Fidelity, are getting ready to submit an application and exchange-traded fund for XRP on April 20th, the level of excitement in the cryptocurrency community has reached new heights. This inspiration, which has been praised by renowned XRP influencers such as CryptoGeek and Jack the Ripper, has caused ripples to spread throughout the community of digital assets, indicating that there may be a change in the opportunities available. Over the course of the past few years, there have been key milestones along the path that brings cryptocurrencies closer to popular acceptance and usage. An additional significant step towards the incorporation of digital assets into conventional investing frameworks is represented by the possibility of an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP. These kinds of improvements not only contribute to an increase in investor confidence, but they also pave the way for a financial landscape that is more diverse and inclusive. Crypto Trading Fund, also known as CTF, is one of the most important players in this industry. It offers a novel method to investing in cryptocurrencies, which has caused it to garner a lot of attention. Unlike other companies, CTF is unique in that it gives retail investors the opportunity to generate passive income through its CTF coin. The cryptocurrency market is characterized by its dynamic and volatile nature, as evidenced by the fast acceptance of this coin and its subsequent value boom. Those that have CTF tokens are able to take advantage of real-time wallet growth, in which each transaction has the effect of adding to their token holdings. The generation of passive income can be accomplished in an easy manner with the help of this novel technique. In accordance with the expanding movement towards decentralized financial solutions DeFi products, there is little doubt that the exceptional growth metrics of the CTF coin are evidence of its success. CTF has garnered the attention of cryptocurrency aficionados, as well as investors, due to its remarkable 19,500% increase in value and approximately 5,000% growth in the number of wallet holders of the cryptocurrency. In addition to highlighting the growing community, the official Twitter feed of Crypto Trading Fund highlights the potential for the token to create passive income for those who own it. Ecosystem continues to develop and open itself up to new opportunities. CTF continues to be at the forefront of the industry, providing investors with a bridge between traditional finance and the revolution associated with digital assets. Further validation of the growing significance of cryptocurrencies in global investment plans is provided by the forthcoming proposal for an exchange-traded fund ETF that will be submitted by BlackRock, Fidelity, and other financial institutions. In spite of the fact that regulatory approvals and market dynamics will play a role in determining the success of exchange-traded funds ETFs, the collaborative efforts of industry leaders and innovative platforms like CTF indicate that the future looks bright for digital asset enthusiasts and investors all over the world. With the 20th of April drawing near, everyone's attention is focused on the latest developments concerning the XRP ETF application and the possible impact it could have on the cryptocurrency ecosystem as a whole. Considering that initiatives such as CTF are leading the charge in the development of DeFi innovations, investors are in a perfect position to investigate new pathways for the generation of wealth and the inclusion of financial services in the digital age. In other news from today, the price of XRP falls as Ripple offers additional capabilities for decentralized finance lending. This reduction occurred not long after developers of Ripple announced a new lending protocol that would be implemented on the XRP ledger technology. According to a report, the purpose of this protocol is to enable users to lend and borrow directly over the blockchain, with the intention of enhancing Ripple's involvement in the decentralized finance DeFi industry. It is interesting to note that this idea appears to have resulted in a temporary decrease rather than an increase in the price of XRP, which reached a low point of $0.42 last Saturday, marking an 11-month low. The expansion of DeFi on the XRP ledger was recommended by developers. Anshul Malhotra and Vito Tumis, two developers of the XRP ledger, recently made a proposal to introduce a native lending protocol. This proposal represents a significant step towards expanding Ripple's capabilities in the realm of decentralized finance. Ripple claims that this new protocol would make it possible to lend and borrow digital assets directly, hence increasing the scope of financial inclusion, transparency, and efficiency. It has not been announced when the protocol will be implemented. Nonetheless, the deployment of the protocol could have a significant impact on Ripple's blockchain ecosystem. The proposed lending protocol, which is described in detail in the specifications XLS64D, XLS65D, and XLS66D, is centered on the creation of tokenized pools in which liquidity providers can deposit cryptocurrencies such as XRP wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC, and wrapped Ethereum, WFT, in order to earn interest. These pools will be supervised by delegates who will handle the administration of loans and the acquisition of funds. One of the most important aspects of the protocol is that it incorporates fixed-term loans with predetermined conditions for the accumulation of interest. This eliminates the requirement for conventional financial underwriting and risk management. The lending procedure might be made